Hello happy family, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. Today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare original Ghanaian green peanut soup, aka Nkate-Konto. So yes, this is my favorite soup and this is so healthy for you. It's full of nutrition, so please come with me and let's get started. Alright friends, so right here I have my spinach and kale. But if you are in Ghana, I know you can use Nkwansusaa to prepare this soup. But as we are in abroad, we don't have Nkwansusaa. If you are lucky to find one, then that's good. But right now I'm using spinach and kale. But you can use spinach if that's what you want. Or you can use kale alone. It's going to taste absolutely the same. Alright friends, so after we wash our vegetables, we're gonna just rinse it, and then we have our pot already on the stove and I fill it with half water. And next we're gonna apply all our vegetables in here. Just keep adding them until it's full. And then I have my turkey berries, aka Nkwansusaa, but if you don't have this you can use peas as well. Alright, cover it and then have it boil. On this part I have here my onion. I'm gonna cut all of them. And this is what we're going to use to season our meat. So as you can tell, I have a little bit of ginger on the side and I have some fresh garlic as well. So just transfer them into your blender and blend it to smooth. Alright, so we're going to prepare our soup. And my meat, I'm using here smoked turkey tail. And I have fresh chicken. And I have here smoked beef right here. But you can use any preferred meat of your choice. I really like the smoked turkey tail because it adds extra flavor to the soup, and that's how I like mine. Next, I have my tomato and onion already, and I'm adding in here my seasoning. So I have my herb and salt and paprika. Alright, so next I'm going to add my blended ginger, garlic and onion right here. And after that, rinse it and then add extra water because we're going to use that to season the meat. Yes, this is so easy. This soup is going to taste really nice and I want you to try at home. So let's cover it and have it steam for about 30 minutes. Alright, so our Nkwansusaa is almost done. As you can tell, it has cooked into my likeness, so that is absolutely perfect. So I'm going to cover that and then I'm going to set it aside for now. So our soup has been boiling. It has been 30 minutes so far, friends, so that is perfect. So I'm going to remove my vegetables, that is the onion and tomatoes. Yes, we're going to blend that later on and it's going to go into the soup. Alright friends, so I'm using the soft chicken, but if you use the hard chicken, there is no need for you to remove it. I'm going to remove this chicken because it is very soft and I do not want to overcook it. So just go ahead and take them out and then set them aside for now. Alright friends, so after that you remove all the chicken. Just go ahead and cover it back on and have it steam for just 5 minutes. Okay. Alright, so on this side I have my spinach ready, and because you're making Nkate-Konto, aka green peanut soup, I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Okay, you can add more if you want it to be too thick, or too rich, but at this point I think it's enough. 2 tablespoons is just perfect. So just go ahead and blend it to smooth. Alright friends, so after we blend our vegetables, I'm just gonna strain them and then add it into the soup. You can add it straight that way, but because of the turkey berries, the seeds are so hard, so you have to be very, very careful with it. So that's why I'm straining this, because I want a very clear soup and so delicious. I don't want any interference from the seeds. It can be really annoying. So if you use turkey berries, I'm going to recommend that you strain it. Okay, as you can tell, yeah, it has a lot of seeds. But if you love the seeds, you can just add it right away. Alright friends, so our soup is looking really nice. I love the consistency right now and everything is smelling so good. Yes, this soup is smelling. So cover it and have it boil. So as you can tell, gradually this soup is boiling so nice, and I'm really happy. You know, I can't wait to taste this amazing soup right here. And if this is your first time, please, I'm gonna encourage you to try this soup. It's so healthy, it's very good for this season as well. So on this part, I just blend my tomato and onion I'm adding in here into the soup. And after that, go ahead and add in your chicken. Remember that chicken that we took it aside? Yeah, this is the perfect time to add it in there so it can cook with the soup. Alright friends, so everything is smelling like heaven right now. With this soup, you can eat with fufu, banku, kenkey. But as for me today, I'm going to enjoy this with mutsu because of the peanuts in there. So you can eat with anything at all. You know, you can eat even with konkonte. This is how, you know, delicious and amazing this soup is. I like to make this soup because I can eat with different kinds of, you know, foods. And I'm very happy with that. So, you know, as the kids say, see demand, I'm serving this soup. And I'm bringing it into completion right here. So go ahead and dish it out, and then, you know, just add meat. I just want to say shout out to the Enumde ladies out there. Missy Abidja, you can eat as much as meat that you want, but if you just want to leave some leftovers, that is perfect, because even the next day tastes actually better than this first day. Okay, yeah. So friends, this soup is done. Everything looks so nice and delicious, and I believe you will try this recipe at home. There is no need to go and buy this restaurant. Actually, you can make it at home and enjoy. Okay, so friends, this is how I prepare my soup, and I hope you really enjoy it. I always love to taste this soup because, you know, they say that is how it is. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to share among your friends. And as you watch this page, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Until I come your way, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day.